To change the die sets on the YCP70C, first turn on the valve and pump the tool until the Allen-headed ground screw is visible. Next, take the small Allen key and loosen, but don't remove, the bottom ground screw. Then turn the valve off and remove the die. Take the new die, place it in the tool, and tighten the bottom ground screw. Next, use the large Allen key to loosen the top ground screw. Once this is loose, you can remove the die from the tool and place the new die in and tighten it just the same as last.